This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make clothes on Roblox Mobile without any additional apps. First, open your mobile browser and go to the Roblox website. You will need to navigate to the Create section. Remember, there is a small 10 Robux fee to upload your custom clothing, so ensure you have enough. Understanding the design requirements and guidelines provided by Roblox is also a crucial first step before you begin. Now, let's get creative with your design. Download the official Roblox clothing template, which is essential for proper alignment and sizing. Use any mobile-friendly drawing application or photo editor to bring your vision to life, carefully placing your artwork on the template's different sections. Once finished with your masterpiece, save your completed design as a PNG image file, ensuring it is ready for the next step. With your design ready, it's time to upload it to the Roblox platform. Head back to the Create page on the Roblox website and choose either shirts or pants from the options. Click Choose File to select your saved PNG image from your device's gallery. Give your clothing item a clear, unique, and appealing name, then confirm the upload. Remember, there is a 10 Robux fee for this step. Finally, let's talk about selling your amazing creation and earning some Robux. After successfully uploading, you can set a fair price for your newly created clothing item. Promote your design to the vast Roblox community through various channels to attract potential buyers. For every sale, you will earn 30% of the Robux. Continuously create fresh and exciting designs to grow your collection and maximize your earnings over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.